So I am on Vector Studio. So now let's select the Shape tool, left click, select the Ellipse tool, and now hold Shift key down and then create your circle. In order to create a perfect circle, hold Shift key down and then trace your circle. So here it is. Now I'm going to remove the fill, so left click here, and then click on this icon to remove the fill. And now double click here, type 1, I'm going to add the 1 point outline, so here it is. And now let's select the Move tool, and now I'm just going to center it. So just make sure that the snapping is checked. If I left click here, so here are the features I checked. So now I'm going to duplicate this circle here, Ctrl J, and now hold Shift key and the Control key down and then scale down your layer. This will scale it proportionally. So here it is. Now I'm going to left click outside, and then I'm going to select the small circle, left click on it, and then Ctrl J to duplicate it. And now hold Shift key down and then move it up until it snaps here. And now hold Shift key down and then scale it down from this handle here until it snaps here. And now I'm just going to left click outside and then select the small circle again, this one here, Ctrl J to duplicate it. And then hold Shift key down and then move it down until it snaps here. This will move it on a straight line by holding Shift key down and then moving it. So now as you can see, the bottom circle here is selected. Hold the Shift key down and then left click on this one to select them both. And then Ctrl J to duplicate them. And now hold Shift key down and then rotate these two circles here until they are horizontal. And now I'm just going to select everything, make sure on the Move tool. And then let's select the Shape Builder tool, left click, select Shape Builder. The action is plus to create new shape from selected areas. Drag method is freehand, the cleanup is none. I check the use style from selected areas. And now I'm just going to drag over the shapes. I'm going to start, this is my first shape. And then I'm going to drag from here until the circle, second shape. And then this one is the third shape. And then this one here is the fourth shape. So now let's select the Move tool. I'm just going to left click outside to deselect all the shapes. So now I just need these 4 shapes here, but I have more layers. So now I'm just going to remove some of them. So for example, this one here doesn't do anything. I'm just going to delete it. Click on this icon and then I'm going to delete this one. So now I just have 4 layers for the 4 shapes. So now I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to change its color to red. I'm going to select this one here. I'm going, for example, to change it to orange. I'm going to left click on this one. This one, I'm just going to change it, for example, to blue. And then for this one here, I'm going to left click on it and then change it, for example, to green. And now I'm going to select all the shapes. I'm going to remove the outline. But first, let's group them. Click on Group. And now here you can increase or decrease the outline. I'm going to decrease it. I'm going to select the Contour tool. I'm going to double click here on the radius. I'm going to add 0.5 radius. And now I'm just going to add some layer effects. So click on this icon here, the FX layer effects. So I'm going to left click on 3D, check the 3D. I'm going to add some style. So I'm going to leave it here like this. And then you can also add the bevel and emboss. I'm going to change the type, for example, to inner. So I think I'm going to leave it here.